Hello everyone. As we navigate the dynamic landscape of the stock market with recent market rallies sparking optimism, today we have Mr. Chandan Taparia with us to highlight the major trends and movements in Nifty. But before we go ahead, I want to highlight that many of our viewers who watch our videos haven't yet subscribed to our channel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for market insights. Welcome, sir. So
Thank you.
starting with, will Nifty continue its upward trends?
We have seen a fantastic rally in the market. In last 30 days, Nifty has rallied by more than 2100 points. I remember just a couple of weeks back, we made a video that market is likely to form the bottom near to 18,888, and it exactly made low near to 18,838, and now we are near 21k marks. So a fantastic rally of 2100 points we have seen in just 30 trading session. Now the question is, will this continue? Yes, we believe the same. Why? First, FI's long short ratio has increased to 55%. We have seen decline in India VIX. Volatility is hovering near 1230, so which indicating positive sentiment. We have surpassed the previous lifetime high, which was at 20,222, which was our earlier targets. So we are trading much higher than previous hurdle of 20,222. We are near 21,000 marks. So we believe this momentum could extend, and till Nifty holds above 20,700, continue with your long positions. Even you can initiate or aid fresh long position. This rally should extend to us 21,250, 21,500, and finally to us 22,000 marks.
Yeah. So you think that this is going to reach the 22,000 mark?
Yeah, so that I mentioned that it may take some consolidation, because already we have seen good run up of more than 2,100 points in just 30 trading session, and especially 1,000 points rallied in just 7 trading sessions. So it happened somehow global participants or domestic participants came to know about the political stability after the state assembly elections, and now entire focus will be union elections.
Yes.
So I believe some sort of consolidation will be there, but yes, slow and steady market is all geared up to hit next benchmark of 22,000.
That's wonderful. So, sir, in this current market, which sectors we should focus on?
So I think the rally will be broad-based, but if you count the name of sectors, then I'll focus on CPSE, Central Public Sector Enterprises. So most of the CPSE stocks will do well. Okay. Then you can focus on BFSI, Banking Financial Services. And especially if you look at the Bank Nifty Index, they rallied by more than 5,000 points in just last 30 trading session. Last time when we talked, it was near 42,000 marks. Right now, it just made new lifetime high of 47,250. Yes. So rally of more than 5,000 points in the Bank Nifty, which was the laggards. So contribution will be there in the banking financials. Your CPSE stocks will do well. We have positive on selective real estate counter. Positive on the auto. So I think these couple of sectors, including CPSE, auto, real estate, BFSI, and capital goods engineering, will continue to lead from the front. And I think these are the selective sectors, and selective stocks from these sectors will generate the alpha to outperform the broader market when Nifty hits to 22,000 marks.
That's great to know, sir. So we have seen the sectors to focus. और ऐसे ही market related updates के लिए search Motilal Oswal.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.